All right, so this is the Ranger's current clutching. It's got the rapid engagement secondary, which does the twisting action. Here's that cheap Chinese primary. It's actually held up okay. After looking at it, everything's still there. So if this is the last time we'll see it like this, next it will have the mother clutchers installed. And bam, we have the clutches installed. The new mother clutcher primary, which is the upgraded style with the one-way bearing, and the Tide type secondary. This thing is going to rip. So this should let us rev up to over around 8,000 RPMs. So we'll see what that does. I'm going to throw everything back together, put the airbox back in and everything, and then we'll come back when it's on the road. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Outback Shop. Got those mother clutches all installed on the Ranger, and I want to go over it with you. So guys, here's the Ranger. I am thoroughly impressed, guys. I am happy. I'm a happy guy today. So we installed the mother clutcher setup the other day. I've taken it on a couple little rides, and the RPMs have changed. The engine braking, all that, everything it's incredible. So I have way more control of this machine now. It seems when I let off the gas, it starts to slow down, which is going to save my brakes. Probably the belt from just slapping around in there. I don't know if any of y'all get belt slap from your belt, your clutch is releasing and then the belt starts flopping around everywhere. That isn't going to happen anymore. The clutches in this thing are quiet, unlike the original ones, which were loud, tappy, and then it had the secondary with that washer in there. Oh my god, you always heard it spinning around in there. So that's gone. So yeah, guys, we have got the Ranger back to 100%, and I really think this was one of the best upgrades I've done so far. The clutching is a must, and yeah, Harvey, thank you again over at Mother Clutcher, or Harvey's ATV Parts, for you know, talking to me all about these clutches. And then, like I said, he's done his due diligence and gone through and critiqued these suckers, and I gotta say, he did a damn good job. So thank you, Harvey, over at Harvey's ATV Parts, for all the work he put into these things, guys. So look, we're about to get in it, go for a little ride. I'll take you in high, and then I'll hit it in low, and we'll be able to compare and see what the RPMs were in the last video with it to what they are now. All right, we're in the Ranger, got the new clutching in, and I'm in high. I'm about to floor it here in just a second. The clutching is amazing, guys. I love the engine braking also. Check out the RPMs. Floored right now. Better RPM range. Oh yeah. Oh, and it helps you slow down so well. I'm hardly hitting the brakes. I just went from full speed just about to a complete stop, and I'm off the brake now. Man, this thing is great. I am loving the mother clutcher setup, guys. With the upgraded primary and the one-way bearing. Oh man, look, I let off, I'm not even touching the brake, and it's slowing down. You hear it and feel it. Oh, that feels, it just all the way to a dead stop. It'll do that till it's all washed. I'm not touching the brake, just not touching the brake. All right, now I'm touching the brake. Boom. Engagement in high, right about 2,000. Guys, it is a different machine. It is way more controllable. It's going to save on my brake pads tremendously. It just feels like you're more in control of the bike completely, 100%. So I'll try low in just a minute when I come back. All right, guys, we're in low. I'm gonna start off. It is already moving. About 16 to 1800 RPM, it starts moving on gonna punch it. I'm not trying to like run it out too hard, but let's see what's up. Oh, it pulls you to the seat. It'll go all the way up to 8,000 for sure. Oh God, yeah. It wouldn't do that before, that's for sure. So, yeah, it'll hit the rev limiter at 8250 and low, I'm sure. I'm not about to do it. I don't like doing that to my bike, but that is insane. Oh my God, it just pulled me to a complete stop. That is incredible. Guys, I am loving this engine braking. Like I said, here we're going high. I'll stop it at high again real quick. Lord. Going, I think it's 60 miles an hour right there. When it says 50, I'm actually doing 60. But yeah, I mean, we hit 7,400 RPM and high, and I mean, if I had more road, I could probably get it to go more. So, but with these big 33s, they're heavy also. It's definitely weighing it down a little bit. If I had a smaller tire or a lighter setup, this thing would do everything like Harvey had said with the clutching. As far as the RPMs go, guys, this I can't believe I didn't do this way sooner. I'm gonna really enjoy this. It's a hell of a lot easier to drive this machine. The clutches, look, I'm shifting. I mean, before I've had a clutch where it would try and launch or go with, that was the bad one-way bearings and stuff in them. But it's smooth, that's in high. No smooth engagement, everything's smooth with it. I really think this is gonna be a huge benefit on off-road, everything. Because I've noticed I barely gotta tap the gas and I start moving. So I don't have to rev the machine up to actually go anywhere. Like before, it would just kind of like rev up and then start going kind of abruptly. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments what y'all think of the mother clutcher setup. Harvey's ATV parts. Go check him out. And if you need to, give him a call.